Hi, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're oldie but still goodie, welcome back. It's your girl Everything Key, aka Kiana. I'm coming to you to do a unbagging on my live Glam Kiss Me. This is for the month of May. This is the packaging that it comes in. And for you who don't know what live Glam is, this is a lip subscription. It's a monthly lip subscription. It is $19.95 a month. You get 3 lip products, but the first time you sign up, you get an additional product as a gift, so you get 4. Sometimes you get like 2 lip products and 2 like liners. It just depends, but this month we have 3 lip products, and it has your address on the back. They give you a card that comes with it, and then they give you this little satin bag that says Live Glam Kiss Me. Okay, so on the card, this is how the card looks for this month. This is May 2020. It says Brunch and Bubbly on here, and then it has the lady on here, and I love her thick braids. And on the back, it has the name of each product, and it tells you just a little information about each product. Then they have like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that little information for them. So let's go ahead and open the satin bag and pull the first one out. So the first one that I have is Sunday Funday. This is how it looks. This is really pretty. It says Wednesday isn't the only day we wear pink. This taffy pink is the perfect shade for a brunch with the girls. So they all smell the same. This is the applicator. And this is giving me like Barbie pink vibes. Looks like one that I've already had before. But this is how it's looking. And it just looks too pink to me. It looks too pink for my skin, but this is how it's looking anyway. Okay, so that's the first one. This is the packaging. Really pretty. It has like this orange and this pinkish color going together. Then this frosting on it, and then it says Sunday Funday. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the second one, and the second one I pulled out is the peach Bellini, and it looks like this. It says cheers, this delicious matty peach lippy will give you the best buzz and pout at the table. So this is what this one is looking like. Okay, so this is the peach right here. I don't even know what to say, y'all. Look, this is what it looked like. Yeah, okay. We're gonna try the last one out. The last one is Resting Brunch Face. Give them lip with this striking dark brown. You'll be able to slay your resting brunch face even after bottomless mimosas. Okay, so this is how it's looking right here. So we're gonna try this brown out. Okay, this is really dark. Okay, so this is the brown, and I really like this one. This is probably the only one that it's the only one I like, but this is really cute, simple, same formula as the other ones, but this one I can kind of work with. So those are all 3 of the lippies that I received in this month's box for my Live Glam Kiss Me box. If you all are interested, I'll put the link down below. If you would like to subscribe, you can get a box every 3 months, every 6 months, or you can get like a $12.99 box. You can get that as well too. But yeah, that's my box. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to visit me on Instagram at Musics44. Down below in the comment section, tell me which one was your favorite, or which one you would actually probably wear, because they probably look different on you as they would to look on me with my skin tone. But tell me which one you would rock. Until next time, all my key bees and key dogs out there. Peace.